Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button and subscribe to Pi News World, and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer, did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. Final opportunity for users to verify balances and avoid losing funds amid growing uncertainty. PiCoin administrators have announced the final extension of the KYC, Know Your Customer, and Mainnet migration deadline, allowing users until 8 a.m. UTC on March 14, 2025, to complete their verification. The new deadline coincides with the 6th anniversary of the project, marking both celebration and urgency for Pi users. According to information shared by PiNetwork, the decision to extend this deadline aims to provide additional opportunities for the growing user base to verify their balances and migrate to the mainnet. Developers have issued clear warnings. Users who fail to complete KYC or mainnet migration before this new deadline risk losing most of their mobile balances, except for Pi mined within the 6 months preceding migration. This situation highlights the precarious status of thousands of users who have mined PiCoin over the years. Without adherence to the new deadlines, many could find themselves unable to access their hard-earned cryptocurrency. If users do not complete these steps before the deadline, they risk losing most of their mobile balances, according to PiNetwork's announcement. The urgency of this deadline is underscored by the developing community sentiment surrounding PiCoin. Some users view it as an opportunity for monetary gain, whereas others are wary, expressing concerns about the project's potential similarities to pyramid schemes. Still, the project has garnered support, with PiCoin being listed on platforms like OKX, MEXC, Gate, and BitGet, even though its actual liquidity and value are still being established. Despite mixed opinions, the PiCoin community has remained resilient. A recent survey from Binance showed overwhelming support among users for listing PiCoin on their platform. This reflects significant enthusiasm and belief by many users, who are eager to see their coins recognized and valued on broader exchanges. Before the looming deadline, PiNetwork developers are urging users to act quickly to avoid losses. Users must check their KYC status and follow the necessary steps within the PiNetwork application. The process is detailed within the app and is intended to simplify verification for users, hence encouraging timely compliance. Many are grappling with whether PiCoin could eventually emerge as a legitimate cryptocurrency with substantial worth, or remain embroiled within the debates over its sustainability and model. The current conversations and actions surrounding this deadline will likely play pivotal roles as uncertainty looms over the project's future. The broader cryptocurrency community is increasingly curious about how PiCoin will navigate its maturity. The final extension presents both a risky proposition for users and serves as a pivotal moment for PiCoin to solidify its standing and trust among investors. Questions remain. Will this be the turning point for PiCoin users, steering them toward a place of stability, or will the outcome set off alarms as users find themselves unable to access their funds? March 2025 is set to bring clarity and closure, speaking volumes about the future of Pi as it strives to firmly establish its place within the crowded crypto space. For users of PiCoin, this deadline serves as more than just another milestone. It is their last chance to draw from their investments and take part fully on the mainnet. The call to action is complete your KYC, migrate to the mainnet, and safeguard your balance before it potentially vanishes.